Hello guys to you who are enthusiastic about new infos whole around the globe. Welcome to our exploration of Christmas traditions from around the world. As we gear up for the holiday season, it's always fun to learn about the various customs and celebrations that take place in different parts of the globe. And with Christmas being such a widely celebrated holiday, it's no surprise that there are a wide range of traditions to discover. Did you know that the tradition of decorating a Christmas tree can be traced back to 16th century Germany? Or that the song, Jingle Bells, was actually written for Thanksgiving, not Christmas? These are just a few examples of the fascinating history and cultural differences that shape how we celebrate the holiday. From the classic traditions like gift-giving and carol singing, to more unique customs like the KFC Christmas tradition in Japan or the burning of the devil in Guatemala, we hope to give you a deeper understanding and appreciation of the diversity of holiday celebrations around the globe. So join us as we explore the rich tapestry of Christmas traditions from around the world. Christmas traditions in the United States. In the United States, Christmas is a time for family, friends, and celebration. Some of the most popular traditions in the U.S. include decorating a Christmas tree, exchanging gifts, and attending church services. The tradition of decorating a Christmas tree can be traced back to 16th century Germany, where it was believed that trees held special powers and were often decorated with fruit and candles. The tradition made its way to the United States in the 19th century and has since become a beloved holiday custom. Today, people in the U.S. decorate their trees with a variety of ornaments, lights, and other decorations to add a touch of holiday cheer to their homes. Gift-giving is another popular tradition during the holiday season in the U.S. The history of gift-giving at Christmas dates back to the story of the three wise men, who brought gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh to the baby Jesus. In modern times, people exchange gifts with loved ones as a way to show appreciation and spread joy during the holiday season. Christmas is a religious holiday that commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ, and many people choose to attend church services to celebrate and give thanks for his teachings. Overall, these traditions have evolved and changed over time, but they remain an integral part of Christmas celebrations in the United States. Christmas traditions in Europe. Some popular traditions that are celebrated in many European countries include the Yule log, mistletoe, and carol singing. The Yule log is a large log that is traditionally burned in the fireplace on Christmas Eve. The tradition dates back to ancient Norse and Celtic cultures, where the log was believed to have special powers and was used to honor the gods. Today, the Yule log is often used as a decorative element in homes during the holiday season. In some countries, such as France and Belgium, it is traditional to serve a Yule log cake during the holiday season. Mistletoe is another popular Christmas tradition in Europe. The tradition of hanging mistletoe dates back to ancient Norse and Celtic cultures, where it was believed to have special powers and was used to promote fertility and good luck. In modern times, the tradition of kissing under the mistletoe has become a popular holiday custom in many European countries. Carol singing is another tradition that is popular in Europe during the holiday season. Carols are songs that are traditionally sung during the Christmas season and often tell the story of the birth of Jesus. Carol singing is a popular activity in many European countries, and people often go carol singing from door to door or gather in public places to sing together. In some countries, such as the United Kingdom, it is traditional for choirs to perform carols in public places during the holiday season. These traditions vary from country to country and have influenced Christmas celebrations in other parts of the world. For example, the tradition of carol singing has spread to many other countries and is now a popular activity during the holiday season in many parts of the globe. Christmas traditions in other parts of the world. Christmas is a widely celebrated holiday around the world, and as such, there are a vast array of traditions and customs that are practiced in different parts of the globe. In this section, we'll introduce you to some unique and interesting Christmas traditions from around the globe. One interesting Christmas tradition that is popular in Japan is the KFC Christmas tradition. In Japan, it is traditional to eat Kentucky Fried Chicken on Christmas Eve. This tradition started in the 1970s when KFC launched a marketing campaign promoting their fried chicken as a Christmas meal option. The campaign was a huge success, and the tradition has stuck, with many Japanese people now opting to order KFC for their Christmas Eve meal. In Guatemala, the burning of the devil is a unique Christmas tradition. On Christmas Eve, people gather in the streets to burn effigies of the devil, which is believed to symbolize the casting out of evil spirits. The tradition is a way for people to cleanse their homes and communities of negativity and bring in positive energy for the new year. Another interesting Christmas tradition is the Star Boys tradition in Norway. On Christmas Eve, young boys dress up as the Star Boys and go door to door singing Christmas carols. They carry a large star on a pole, which represents the Star of Bethlehem, and are often accompanied by an adult dressed as the Star Father. The tradition is a way for people to spread holiday cheer and raise money for charity. These are just a few examples of the diverse and fascinating array of Christmas traditions that are practiced around the world. As we come to the end of our exploration of Christmas traditions from around the world, it's clear that there is a rich and diverse array of customs and celebrations that take place during the holiday season. From the classic traditions like decorating a Christmas tree and exchanging gifts, to the unique and interesting customs like the KFC Christmas tradition in Japan and the burning of the devil in Guatemala, there is something for everyone to enjoy and appreciate. We hope that you have enjoyed learning about these traditions and have gained a deeper understanding and appreciation of the cultural differences that shape how we celebrate Christmas. Whether you celebrate Christmas or not, it's hard to deny the joy and wonder that the holiday brings, and we encourage you to continue learning about these traditions and perhaps even incorporating some of them into your own holiday celebrations. So as we wrap up our article, we want to thank you for joining us on this journey and wish you a very happy and festive holiday season.